Okay, so just in case Tinkercad doesn't work, you're not able to get in, or you can't make an account, or whatever, or you're done, you made your bracket, you're like a CAD genius, you've already done this a bunch, blah, 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 and like you've simplified the bracket, it's amazing design, you've sent me the email, you're done. Here's the extension for you. So this is our Pong game with remote code, except I changed it in here. If you see, I disabled the button and the case switch for the remote control Pong using these buttons down here. And I input a map function that uses ping distance. It maps a range on the ping sensor from 5 to 20 inches. It maps that to 0 to 85. You might be saying, why do you do that? Well, I'm able to put in like the X position for the paddle and then change those values to 0 to 85. So say my ping distance was 5, it's going to change that to 0 on the X. And just in case it's not in this 5 to 20 range, it's going to constrain it down here to make it within from 0 to 85 for the paddle. So you can use any sensor in here, any sensor you can get running to control your Pong game. Let me show you really quick what this one looks like. You don't have to copy these ranges. I just made this up. Okay, so you can add your own thing. Let's see if we can make it big. There we go. Okay, so check it out. This is the Pong, and I put the laser on here. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, so I can change, changing the distance on the paddle. Can you see the paddle jump? It's kind of hard to see it. But if you do that, you'll see, oh, yeah, you can kind of see it there. I lost. It's really finicky. Okay, so you can kind of, here, I'll move it away from the screen. Yes. So I'm using, oh, you can see the laser in the screen. That's really interesting. So it means the webcam picks up different wavelengths of light than our eyes because I can't see it normally. All right, so you can wire up a ping sensor, use that code. The ping wiring is really simple. See, it's right here. So you use just wires to connect the signal, the ground, and the power. Power for the ping is 5 volts. You really can't see. 5 volts. If you just look up the extra details on here, the additional downloads, it has a product document that'll tell you how to wire up laser ping. You could do this with whiskers. You could do whiskers for move left, move right. There's not a lot of space on here as it's set up, but you could totally do that. So you could use any sensor. So this setup of just mapping a sensor variable from a certain range onto another range allows you to do input with just about any sensor possible or any variable you set up. So that's what you can do if you're done with everything else. Try the laser ping controls or pick another sensor and try another sensor. You should have fun. Have a good day.